Hey everyone. In the previous video, we learned about the NLP pipeline and saw that the very first step is tokenization. Today, we'll understand what tokenization is, why it is important, and finally, we'll see how to perform tokenization in Python using the NLTK library. First of all, what is tokenization? Imagine someone gives you a whole paragraph without any spaces or structure. A computer cannot directly understand that text. So the first thing NLP does is break the text into smaller meaningful pieces. These smaller pieces are called tokens. For example, I love AI becomes I love AI. Each word becomes one token. Similarly, Hi Krishna, how are you? Can be divided into two sentences. Like sentence one, Hi Krishna, sentence two, how are you? The process is called sentence tokenization. So now, why is tokenization needed exactly? So every NLP application like ChatGPT, Google Translate, Grammarly, voice assistants, all first perform tokenization because a machine cannot understand an entire paragraph as one giant string. Instead, it processes text token by token. Without tokenization, finding keyword becomes difficult, sentiment analysis won't work properly, text classification becomes inaccurate, machine translation is the foundation also becomes very difficult. So tokenization is the foundation of almost every NLP task. So let's see type of tokens right now. So there are mainly two type of tokens. First is sentence tokenization, which breaks a paragraph into sentence. For example, as we discussed previously, example, Hi Krishna, how are you? The output will be which you are able to see in the screen. So it is divided into two different sentences. And second is a word tokenization, which breaks each sentence into individual words. Example, I love AI, which is making all the words into separate tokens. So let's see the main implementation of the Python code. So first and foremost, let me tell you in the step-by-step process. First and foremost, whenever you want to do anything, first and foremost, you need to install this NLTK library. For that, just hit pip install NLTK. Just hit this. So it will take a couple of seconds of time and it will install all the modules which are required for that. Yeah, it successfully installed all the required modules for this. Now step 2 is just to import this NLTK. So I just imported this NLTK, and now coming to step 3, we need to download the tokenizer data. And let me add that NLTK dot download Pankaj NLTK dot download of Pankaj underscore tab. So this we only need to download this once. NLTK stores this tokenizer on your computer only. Okay. And coming to the step 4, it is importing the tokenizer function. So for that, I'm just importing them. So like from NLTK dot tokenize import word tokenize sent tokenize. So I just installed NLTK already provides two ready-made functions. Sent underscore token function, which splits text into sentences. Word underscore tokenize, which splits text into words. So I hope you got now. So if you have any questions, you can just comment me in the comment section so that I will try to help you. And it is a very simple example. I don't think so you will need that. So for that, I'm just adding some best example for that text. I'm just adding some basic text here. You can see it. So this is the basic text out here. So later part, like we need to add sentence tokenization related. For that, I'm just adding this. So I just added the sentence and the words related. So the both I have added here. So for that, let me first print each. Let me add a print statement for both sentences So let's see what happens, and the same for the words also. I will just do this. So this is the main code. Let me just run this code and check that. So first and foremost, here the download related things are happening here. Once download are successfully done, this is a one time, so every time you don't need to do this. So once it is downloaded, you can see the output we are get got here. So sentences, it is divided that sentence into separate different sentences. Three different sentences it have added, and the same for word. Word sentence also it is separately added. Even you see, mostly it have completed the tokenization part, and even have you noticed something interesting here? The punctuation, exclamation marks, everything it is taking are also considered as a tokens, because punctuations or exclamations carries meaning in NLP. Okay, so it is very important. Now we have successfully completed this implementation of this. I hope you got it. So the main thing, if I coming to the recap section, so what we'll learn today is what tokenization is, why it is important, sentence tokenization, what tokenization, how to perform tokenization using Python and NLTK. In the next video, we'll move to the next step of the NLP pipeline, stop word removal, where we'll learn how to remove unnecessary words like is, the, and, are to make text processing more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.